Okay, hello guys. Yeah, let's get into these charts. So I'm gonna record today. You know, do voice recording. So what I wanna try to do is do like Monday voice record, Tuesday live notes, Wednesday voice record, Thursday live notes, Friday voice record, and then Saturday, Sunday live notes. So let's see how this works. And so before I go on to do that, right? Economic calendar. Let's look what's going on today. So obviously we have a few things to watch out for. Um, so obviously something happened last night at 2 a.m. with NZD. So actually I even got the news this morning about how it was actually quite interesting news about how NZD USD drops after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand raises rates for the first time in 7 years. So that was quite interesting. Okay, at 9:30 we had something for GBP. Interesting. And then for the rest of the day, in 20 minutes, we have non-farm employment change. And then we have crude oil inventories at 3:30. So if I want to be quick with these charts, I have to be quick now. So which one am I going to look at first? Shall I look at gold? So gold, see what gold is doing. So, so obviously I removed whatever I was seeing on gold. The other day. So what I may do, I may draw a Fibonacci from here to here, all the way to the bottom. So you have to get the wicks. The wicks are very important. And then cool. So I already see something quite interesting here. I'll tell you what I see. So I see this going on. This a trend line going on. So I have to get the wicks. You want to get the wicks because you want to avoid getting faked out. What color will I make this? I'm not too sure what color I should make that, but anyway, we can clearly see that's an important area. The only thing I'm worried about maybe is actually I think I should do this on the let me do this on a 4-hour chart. So which areas are quite important as price is reacted to this area 100%. You can see it clear as day. Make it red and make it a bit bigger. So look, number 1, number 2, touch there with a wick. Number 3. Look, it's touching that area several times. Cool, we got that area down. It's recent price action. What else? What other areas has price touched? I feel like this is what I kind of see. Okay, cool. Could you maybe call this a fake out? You could maybe call it a fake out. There's a possibility that this is a fake out. However, I do want to get this since what happened here. This is the inside trend line, right? I don't know. I'm not too sure about that one. Ideally, what I should do is, if I don't understand what's going on, I should just leave the trade. You know? How can I ignore this bit? This doesn't make sense. Let's go. Boom. Boom. One, two, nah. I'm gonna leave this chart. No point with this. Let's not waste our time here. As for the USD, see what happened here. Cool. So is that a trend line? Break? Maybe. I want to leave this analysis on because it's still important. I've taken a symmetrical triangle off. So price seems to be doing the right thing, you know. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Okay, so what I'm thinking could happen is if the news is really bad is for the US, we could see it bounce off this Fibonacci level right here and then ride it all the way to this Fibonacci level. So maybe I could take a trade from this Fibonacci level to that Fibonacci level. But for that to happen, I'd have to see like a candlestick that agrees with what I'm trying to say. And then obviously like a moving average crossover. Yeah, price is reacted to so many levels here. Interesting. Fibonacci is one of the most important tools that I've ever used. It just puts everything into perspective, you know. So yeah, we'll just kind of see what it does at that level. As for this golden zone, I think with the golden zone, it's even at the wrong place. It's supposed to be here, to be honest. Cool. You can maybe even see it break that level. Who knows? But when was the last time we reached this? Oh, it's reaching a major level. Oh wow. It's reaching a major level of 1 point. You take this off. What level is that? No, 1.6 is there, 1.4 is there, 1.5 should be here. Okay, so let me bring the Fibonacci back. .5. Sorry, what's it? 1 point. Hold on, what's going on here? But yeah, this is my point, right? Thinking of taking off this. Right? Take off this. Cool. And then we can put this on. Reason price action. So look what we've got here. Look at what we've got here. You have a descending triangle going on here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then maybe I could put a line here. Horizontal line here. And then how do I place it? There we go, right on the fib point that I'm looking for. And let me just double check if that fib point is accurate. So look, you can see it reacted here and broke down. So cool, that was a descending triangle, broke down. Went all the way down. It's kind of interesting. What else? Yeah, reacted there. It's reacted here, reacted here. Look at that candle right there. Bullish engulfing, doji, and then bearish engulfing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So what I'll do, I'll delete this for now. Yeah, I'll delete this for now. And just see what it does. That's it. It's clearly reacting at this level. And I'll put this as a hold it before I do any of that. Put this solid. Put that solid. Number 1, number 2. Cool. No idea why it's green. And then whatever color that is. I should make it. Green's an easier color to see, to be honest. Take these off. Well, 1, 2, 3. So it's either gonna. So this is the squeeze it's created, right? It's either gonna break out of here, so it's gonna break out of there. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I'm mumbling a little bit, but what I'll do, I'll go down to the. So we also notice in the downtrend. Look, downtrend below the. So prices in our favor, which is a good thing. So yeah, we'll see what goes. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go down to these moving averages. You know, the 10 EMA and the 20 EMA. Technically speaking, price also hit this resistance and broke down, but we've got another resistance here, so you should be looking for sell trades here, right? So I'm gonna go down to the 30-minute. 15-minute, I expect a fake out probably to happen, but we'll see. Momentum will tell us, everything will tell us, right? So what I'll do here, I'll do 30-minute or 15-minute. I'll want to put about close on the 15-minute, so I'll say Euro USD buy signal. Sorry, sell signal. I really need to learn my candlesticks. And then what I'll have here is Euro USD buy signal. Cool. That's what we have. Yeah. So look, that Andrew says, what we're just expecting for. It's just this. So like, can I get a pen? Can I get a pen? So, this is so thick. What is going on? I'm trying to remove this. Boom, 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 boom. And then either break out there or break out here. Yeah. So cool. That's a short squeeze. I'm so glad I found out about this Fibonacci. Like, it's interesting because you see, when you learn things from different other traders, they'll tell you that certain things are not that important. You know. But with a Fibonacci, for me, it's important. Fibonacci is very important for me. In fact, I think that's going to be the basis of how I trade, using the Fibonacci to find golden zones, to find important support and resistance zones. Because look at this. This was also a descending triangle, right? Look. Look. Boom, breakout. You know? This was also a descending triangle. Boom, breakout to this side. And then what's this going to be? It's also going to be a descending triangle, or it may break out here. Who knows? What's this? Now, how many pips is that even? Let's check. It's flipping 100 pips. How many pips is this? 38 pips. Amazing. And like Andrew says, you only need 20 pips consistently every day to really do well in the market. So yeah, I've got my alert set up. It's on a 15-minute. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. That's the new saying. So we're gonna get these information within a few minutes. So as I'm waiting for that, let me go on to the next chart. So the next one is gonna be USDJPY. So USDJPY. I think I wanna start with new what do you call it? A new chart analysis. So I'll draw the Fibonacci from here to here. On to top. Full fib. Okay, just saying that I reacted off here. Okay, cool. Hold on. There we go. It seems a lot more accurate now. There we go. Okay, cool. Now we have that. Now we have this. So this looks like a cup and handle, right? So price reacted off here, reacted off here, reacted off there, reacted off here. It looks like a cup and handle. So if we were to look at our chart patterns, by the way, this video was the 10th video. I'm gonna delete it because it's just a whole bunch of nonsense. It's legit nothing, trust me. Anyway, so I think I see a cup and handle here going on. So it kind of looks like a cup and handle. So if that's the case, that must mean that we should be looking for some sort of breakout from the resistance point. It's cool. We got here, and then it's bouncing off here. Scroll thread. Put it from there to there. Touch it. Touch the. Touch there, broke out, touch there. I don't know about this Fibonacci zone. Looks a bit funny, in my opinion. I mean, you could make a case and say there's this going on. You can make a case and say there's this going on. And then maybe you could say there's this going on. So look, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the thing is, a part of me thinks this is also some sort of what do you call, what's the word called? Cup and handle. So we'll see what happens here, I guess. So make this green. Or is it yellow? Should we make it yellow? Make it green. Make this green. And then what I could do, I'll put an alert basically on the. First of all, let's check if this isn't a downtrend or uptrend, you know. I'm going to delete this Fibonacci real quick. Is it in a downtrend or uptrend? So it's saying that it's in a uptrend. Yeah, it's in an uptrend. You know, I forgot to check the DXY. I'll go into that real quick, but yeah, it's in an uptrend. So what does this pattern tell us? What kind of pattern is this? So this is a symmetrical triangle, right? And with symmetrical triangles, that usually tells us that it could be anything, to be honest. So you got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. So I'm thinking, I don't want to guess either way. Like it's not about guessing. It's about just being ready for when it actually does happen. So we know that's okay. We know that's in a uptrend. Cool. We got our Fibonacci levels marked. So if it breaks out, could take it to the fib points basically. You know. So how many pips would that be? What, 30 pips? It's not too bad. Yeah, around that number. So, like before, I'm gonna go to the. Gonna go to the. To the 50-minute, and then basically, all I'm gonna do here is. You know what? We could even see some sort of descending triangle, but let's wait and see. Fibonacci's quite interesting. But anyway, yeah, let me quickly just do this and just not waste any time when I'm doing this. So on the 30-minute, the 50-minute, we want to see a breakout. So I'm gonna want to put bar close, USD, JPY, buy signal. And then with USD JPY sell signal. Sell signal. Cool. Now we know that. It's good. It's good. What was it? Okay, interesting. Should probably make it thicker, actually. You know what, maybe make the color stand out as well. There we go. That's for the fib. Yeah, there we go. I'm happy with that. Looks like a cup and handle, honestly. And the cup and handle tells us it's gonna go up, so there's a possibility that this might break out upwards. You know, and then it's showing a doji here. Got dojis there. What's going on with the news anyway? So this happened at 1:50. It's already 1:22. As for DX, I'm gonna remove these drawings and get back here. Yeah, cool. We got this going on. We got this going on as well. Okay, USD JPY, Euro USD. What else? Cool. And then what else have we got? What else are we looking for? So cool, we got this area here, 94.5. Cool. What I'll do here. There's two areas that price kind of reacted to. So you got 94.4, got 90. So what I'll do here, this is what I'm gonna do, right? 0.4. So I want to see like an hourly candle close. Hourly candle close. DXY long signal. And then so that'll be on the hour chart. And then I'll do one here, like 4.5. Once per bar close, and then I'll do DXY breakout. Yeah. Then what I'll do here, might do here. Sell signal. I'd rather this one be on the 50-minute though. If I'm gonna see some sort of, so I want to see 50-minute bar close. This one I want to see the hour. This one I want to see consolidating between these two areas. What's 94? DXY sell signal. Okay, interesting. So we've got two breakouts here. So I'll put this as the smaller one. So we kind of, yeah. Cool. What else? Okay, USDCH. I'm gonna delete these ones because I'll go back to them. I don't want anything messing me up. AUD USD, I'll keep that one. That one's still. I'll delete this. NZD USD, NZD USD, delete that. I don't want to have too many active signals going on. It's got Euro USD, got USD JPY. What else is the next one? DXY we've marked up. The next one is GBP USD. See what's going on with GBP USD. GBP USD, GBP USD. Interested. So it bounced off this area. When was this? Early in the morning, 10 a.m. Bounced off this area and it's kind of breaking up to reach this area here. So I don't know what I could do here. Maybe what I could do is do. Let me do a horizontal line. do like a breaks above this on the 30. Oh my god, I'm watching too many stocks. Too many stocks. Yeah. I'm gonna trust these zones I've got going on here. Maybe. We could have this going on. I don't know. So 1, 2. Yeah, that's definitely a trend going on. Look. It's gone all the way to the back of here. Look. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Fibonacci points are so important, honestly. But you know what, I've a clock that I'm missing. So I'll tell you one clock that I'm missing. But you know what, let me delete these points here. Let me delete these points here real quick. And just draw some new ones. Just delete all these, and then let's do this real quick. I'll draw this from here to here. So I'll do cool. Okay, so look, there was a fake out, came out here, and then boom, broke out. Descending triangle reached this point, broke out again, came up, broke out, touched here, broke out. Is this? Would I say this is accurate? I'm not too sure. Let's see. Okay, let's do it from here. From here to here. There we go. Now that looks a little bit more accurate. How long is this recording, by the way? 39 minutes. That's cool. Let's see what's going on here. Cool. You see price is written here. So I'll do this again. So yeah, I'll do the same thing. Um, what do I want to see? I want to see it close on 50 minutes. So what I'll do, once per bar close, GBP USD, buy signal, and then GBP USD. Sell signal. Cool. So we got those two marked up. It's GBP. I think GBP is in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend at the moment. Yeah, it's in a downtrend. I've got these alerts up. What? Yeah, I've got these alerts up. Everything looks like it's just making a triangle, to be honest. Yeah. Do I need more than that? To be honest, I don't think I do. Maybe USD CAD I'll look at. Okay, let's look at USD CHF real quick. This has still got a long way to go. All just depends on the US news, to be honest. It's got a long way to go. But yo, let's go. So GBP USD CAD. So remember this. I don't like writing this silly golden zone. It's kind of annoying me a little bit. Maybe what I could do is do this. Maybe I could do something like that. Maybe. And then maybe I could do this. Let me remove this real quick. Maybe I could do this. Mm, USD Cat is such a weird pair. Okay, it's not even reacting to any of the fib levels I put. I mean, it is just a little bit. Maybe one, two. Cool. Okay. Okay. I think I found something. So forget that. Nah, F that. Fuck that. Uh, so, there we go. There we go. Now it looks better. But it's so much noise. Just so much going on. So much going on. I don't know about this. Either it's either going to be some sort of trendline break or it's going to be like a descending triangle. But look at this. We've got price going. Wow, price is bulldozing. What's the price? Let's look at the currency heat wave. Let's look at the currency heat wave. Oh yeah, this is USD nothing's happening. So let's stick with these one. Have I done an analysis on gold? I don't think I have. I think I just left gold alone. So gold is going up, and then we have USD CAD going down. I really want to take a trade on USD CAD. Might take this trade. Very tempted. Yeah, that's a trade I could have taken. Oh lord. That's a trade I could have taken. Should I wait for the pullback or should I get in now? You know, I'll get in now, see what happens. Where's USD CAD? Where's USD CAD? USD CAD, USD CAD. Short sell. Goes on here, see what goes on here. It might pull back on me, who knows? It might pull back on me, who knows, who knows, who knows. Oh no. There we go. So I want to get in on this trade because I see, because clearly, I think I've missed something. So what I'm seeing is this, right? Cool. Cool. When it got to this area, broke below. Came, touched this area again, broke below. Decided to break out of that area. Now it's breaking below. And the reason I'm going with CAD is because when you look at gold, gold seems to be going up. And look, DXY is going down. Let me look at the currency heat wave. To be honest, I should have done a bit more with my analysis right there. Hold on. Where is my currency heat wave? So currency heat wave. What's it telling me? So look, Euro USD is not budging. USD JPY is not budging. Yeah, 1 hour chart's the best place to look at it. They're not budging. USD JPY not budging. GBP USD. It's budging a little bit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at this candlestick. Boom. Doji, bullish engulfing. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, cool. We're gonna keep an eye on that. 50-minute AUD/USD. What's going on here? I should get rid of this. Put the moving averages on. USD CAD. We'll go to DXY. DXY is going down. So we're just going to use gold as a confluence so we can kind of see what's going on. This pair is such a weird pair. I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's look at USD CAD. What's going on? Lord have mercy. Look at that. I think it's the same mistake I made again. No stop loss. Where's my stop loss? Lord have mercy. But the thing is, it has broken out of this zone right here. Look, it's broken out, so I think I could hold it till the next zone. Where's my what's the word called? Where's my moving averages? Put my moving averages here just in case, so we know what price is about to do if it's about to reverse. Ideally, I would have liked to have gotten it somewhere around here. You know, Fibonacci is so useful, honestly. Very, very useful. But the thing is, okay, so this is my cool. This is what I'm aiming for, right? So cool. We got the all the way here. It's all the way here. 3-1. excuse me. So it's the next fib level. So we got 60 pips for if it closes above this area, so 20 pips. So that's a 3-to-1, right? So look, so if it closes above this area, and I'll put an alert there, closes above this area, then I'll take my stop loss. So should we put on 15, 30. Let's put on the 30. So I'll do here. Why can I not put an alert? Right, just for now. So they're on the 30 minutes. So I'll do once per bar close on the 30 minutes, and then I'll hit stop loss close trade. I shouldn't panic because I've already took the trade. Just trust my analysis. If I lose the trade, I'll lose the trade. But I definitely need to backtest more. That'll help me be a lot more confident with my trades. Okay, cool. USD CAD. We got gold here. DXY. Euro USD. USD JPY. GBP USD. However, okay, let's just watch. Okay, let's just watch and see. I'm gonna pause this in a little bit. I might start a new recording. But these are the trades I have open. So I haven't traded gold. That would have been a good trade to take, but it hasn't happened. Euro USD still in the works. Even though I think this was low-key a resistance point. I don't know. USD JPY. I have a weird feeling I may be on the wrong side of the trade. Maybe I think it's gonna go down, but I may not be going down. So you got this thing at 3:30. I'm gonna make sure I have no trades open there, especially with the fact that I'm on USD CAD as well. Gonna make sure there's no trades open there. Yeah. So for now, so look, this is what I've got. Got Euro USD, got USD JPY. We've got GBP USD, we've got AUD USD. Get USD CAD. So look, stop loss is here, take profit is here. You know, it's annoying. It's gone significantly. It's gone significantly down. That's the thing. So this is just a silly trade, to be honest. Oh no. So even if I was to make profit to this pivot zone, it'd be like, Lord have mercy. I might close this trade. But it's curling up. Yeah, I might close this trade. I'm not liking it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. I didn't like the way it was looking. If it shows me something else, then I'll get back in. But as for now, I'm just gonna leave it. Stop loss, gonna leave that as well. Look at that. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. So what does that mean for D? What's going on with DXY? I haven't even checked the currency heat wave. What's going on with the currency heat wave? Hold on. So Euro is at 2.29. JPY is at 6.86. GBP is at a 4.29. CAD is at a 4.4. AUD is at 5. NZD is at 2.86. CHF is at 6. USD is at 4.86. So if I was to take a trade, USD JPY is a trade you'd want to take. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this video for now. I don't want it to be too long, and then I'll come back later if anything's been triggered. So again, just you can end the video now, but I'm just gonna quickly show you what I've got up. So gold is just used as a confluence to see how DXY is doing. Euro USD got this support resistance. I need to get him early, to be honest. I need to find, look, you see all these little breakouts like here, number 1, number 2, or number 3. I need to get in on them. Anyway, resistance there, trend line there. USD JPY got a symmetrical triangle going on. Even we got also what's the word called? We have a cup and handle, as you can see. GBP USD, we have a symmetrical triangle going on here. I think this could happen because, you know what, there was a big symmetrical triangle that happened somewhere around here, and it broke. Look, you see this bearish engulfing pattern? Yeah, that was all from what we saw. And then AED USD, I got this marked up, symmetrical triangle. But yeah, just as for CAD, because I saw that bearish engulfing pattern, I assumed that I could get in on that trade, but silly trade to make. You know, I think I got in impulsively. But yeah, we're gonna see what else happens, I guess. But anyway, let me close this right now. I might take notes on the next video. Yeah, so talk to you guys in a bit. Bye bye. 3, 2, 1.